Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. My name is Ruth and I'm a nursing blogger, I'm a lifestyle blogger, fitness, and I blog on natural hair also. So today I'm going to be doing an empty house tour. It's if you're trying to move home, I'll be moving. So this is just a blog on an empty house. It's an empty house, so you don't expect to see anything in the house. It's going to be empty. Okay, so guys, enjoy this video and I'm going to be going through some stuff with you in the house. You don't really need to expect much, but just enjoy this video with me as I vlog this. So before renting an apartment, the major things that are important for you to check out is ensure check if it's the electrical heating or it's a gas heating. I tried asking which one is better, but some people say gas is better, it's much cheaper than electrical heating. But I think I don't know, I've been in the house that has a gas heating, so this is also a gas heating for me. So also ensure that the house has a double glazed window, because this will form as a form of insulator for you. So going into the house, you can see I stepped into the hallway. There's a telephone which we use to receive calls from the doorway. So when you press the bell, especially when you're receiving a visitor coming in for the first time, I use these to receive the call and to know what the person is before I press the button and the door opens and the visitor comes into the house. So there's a safe lock behind the door. You don't need a key, but when you're inside the house, you can just lock it like that. Okay, on the hallway, there's a very large mirror there. I like this mirror because I can use it to look at myself when I dress up. And there's a lovely light up there too. So there's a clothes and jacket coat hanger on there. Okay, moving into one of the rooms, you can see that's one of the rooms, and the window is the double glazed window. One of the things you must make sure you look for when you are trying to get a home, especially you have to consider the winter time. You have make sure you get or you rent a home with a double glazed window. So moving on now, you can see that is one of the wardrobes and the second double wardrobe. So there's a single wardrobe and there's a double wardrobe in the room. I'm happy about this because this is going to contain a lot of my clothing. I know that. Okay, moving on to the side bathroom, and there's the toilet and the bath. this comes together, and there's a top. There's mirrors all over the house, both front and back mirror, and I like that. There's a small cupboard where I can keep my toiletries in the bathroom. So moving to the living room, we've got a very large living room. I don't think, anyway, I see it is large, but the living room is just empty at the moment. There's nothing much in there presently. Moving to the kitchen. The kitchen is there's an oven already in the kitchen, but there's no washing machine or fridge or freezer, so I have to get all that into the kitchen, and also going to stock up the kitchen as much as possible. Anyway, the kitchen is quite big. I think the size is okay for me to start with at the moment. Here is a central boiler. So it's the house is a gas heating, it's not an electrical heating. So I also love the fact that there are trees around the house, so I can get some natural air coming into the environment, and the environment is so cool and refreshing. A tenant has actually lived in the house previously, it is very important to take meter readings before you start using your electricity, and it also depends if you are using a normal meter or a pay as you go meter. So mostly what is advised is probably take a picture of the meter, of the gas, of the electricity, and of the water meter, or you write the reading, the meter reading. If you can take the meter reading, it's better, or you just take a picture, so that when you start the registration for your water, electricity, and your gas, you'll be able to tell the company you're registering with this is where you met it, so that you won't be paying the bills for the previous tenant. Okay, and here am I ready to do some clean ups in the new apartment. Wish me luck, guys. I'm going to be taking you along as I set up the new house. Thank you you very much for watching my video and for clicking on this video. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to tap on the subscribe button and also click the notification bell, because this channel is going to be filled of updates every time. Thanks for watching my video, and I'm Ruth. I'm a nursing blogger. I blog on nursing, health, fitness and lifestyle generally. Thank you guys. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Thank you. See you.